Xi Jinping and Kim Jong-un are atheists, communists. Putin is communist, but of course he professes to be an Eastern Orthodox Christian. Eastern, not Western. But still, he professes to believe in God. Netanyahu, I don't know. Trump, he professes to believe in God. But Putin and Trump, who profess to believe in God, and if Netanyahu believes in God, their profession of faith in God is a fake one. It's a deception. It's a lie. It's hypocritical. It's not true. They are wolves in sheep's clothing. They're really wolves. So the wolves, they don't trust in God. They hunt for themselves. Their king is themselves. Their God is themselves. But they wear masks. So Trump is just wearing a mask. He's not a real Christian. He's a fake Christian. He's a hypocrite. You don't do those things and be a Christian. That's fake Christianity. How crazy they've been. Pastors. He's got a hold on many people. He's got something on them. That's why they are his slaves. Trump is becoming like Satan. Really evil. That's how it's looking like now. Yeah, wearing a mask that he's a Christian. That's a lie. It's also a lie that they own America. They're occupying America. They did not buy this land. They genocided 75% of the Native Americans and grabbed their land and plundered their resources and established the United States of America. That's what happened. And then they bought slaves from Africa. So the problem is they don't believe in God. They don't trust in God. It's a trust issue. So they're doing what they're doing to protect themselves, to keep themselves alive, to keep themselves afloat. They're enjoying it. They're enjoying something. Have high adrenaline. I don't know. There are people behind them. Cronies. I haven't heard that word for a very long time until this year. Thank you, Mr. Trump. It's a trust issue. They don't really trust God. They don't really. That's why it's a trust issue.